Dear student, good morning. Today we are going to discuss and understand about an important aspect of carbonyl compound, that its compound like formaldehyde and paraldehyde, their structures, their preparation, their reactivity, etc. The structure and uses of formaldehyde. The structure of formaldehyde is a first carbonyl compound with two hydrogen atoms. It is a one carbon containing aldehyde and the formula is HCOH. And if you see this, its systematic name is methanol as it contains one carbon. So we know that in organic compounds, one carbon company compounds are met. So it is a aldehyde, so methanol. It is an organic compound with formula CH2O or HCHO. CHO is a functional group of aldehyde. Now, it is the simplest one carbon containing aldehyde from all aldehydes. It is an organic compound which contain oxygen, hydrogen and carbon compound. Now, if we see the physical properties of formaldehyde, so formaldehyde is a colorless liquid. It's at room temperature, it is a highly flammable liquid. It has a strong pungent odor or smell. It is a very bad smell. Now, if you see the chemical properties of aldehyde, among aldehyde, formaldehyde. So, formaldehyde react with base like sodium hydroxide and form sodium formate and methanol. So, it will form the sodium salt. The chemical equation of this reaction or above interaction of sodium hydroxide with formaldehyde is given as two formaldehyde molecules react with sodium hydroxide to give sodium formate as a salt and methanol as a byproduct. Now, formaldehyde react with ammonia to produce hexamethylene tetraamine and water. So, the chemical equation for this, formaldehyde will react with ammonia. 4 molecules of ammonia react with 6 molecules of formaldehyde and form hexamethylene tetraamine and 6 molecules of water, which is a basic in nature. Now, how this formaldehyde can be prepared? So, formaldehyde is usually prepared from methanol. So, in methanol and oxygen is undergo reaction at 450-degree temperature in the presence of silver as a catalyst, and it will form the formaldehyde. So, if equation we will see 2 molecules of methanol react with 1 molecule of oxygen to give 2 molecules of formaldehyde and 2 molecules of water. Now, the uses of formaldehyde, where this formaldehyde has been used. So, the formaldehyde, because of its highly chemical reactivity, formaldehyde has many uses in science and industry. Few of them are given below. Note that this reactivity is due to presence of two acidic hydrogen. One is a proton and one is aldehydic proton. Now, formaldehyde used in biology. So, formaldehyde is used in biology as a preservative for tissue specimens. So, in herbariums, in the specimens of the living organism, the formaldehyde solution has been used as preservative. Formaldehyde is useful for this purpose as it kills all bacteria and fungi because it is a bactericidal and fungicidal. So, this has been used to preserve the tissues and it can keep the protein and DNA intact. Now, formaldehyde uses in medicine. So, formaldehyde used as a medicine, it acts as an antiseptic compound as it kills bacteria and fungi. Formaldehyde also used for the treatment of warts and some parasites. Formaldehyde is also used for the production and sterilization of some vaccines. Formaldehyde also used as a precursor or starting material for the some alternative to antibiotics in the treatment of urinary tract infection. They turn kidneys in as a precursor into formaldehyde. That's why it excretes in the urinary tract instead of circulating in the blood. So, the formaldehyde has been used for the treatment of kidney diseases. It is also used in some personal hygiene product to prevent the bacterial growth, as it is acting as an antibacterial or bacterial killing, bactericidal or fungicidal activity. So, some of the formaldehyde uses are in industry. The formaldehyde is used as a reactant to produce many artificial materials such as resins, plastics, and other industrial chemicals. If you go further, it is also used, formaldehyde is also used for the treat clothes to make fabrics grease resistant. Formaldehyde is also used for the produce the materials which are used in the numerous parts of car manufacturing. So it is used in the parts which is used in the car. It is also used in the production of plywoods, carpenting, and building installations. Formaldehyde also used in the production of sanitary papers, products such as napkins, papers, towels, and tissues, etc. Furthermore, formaldehyde also used in the preparation of various chemicals which are used in paints and explosive. Furthermore, formaldehyde also prevent the bacteria and fungal growth in animal feeds for commercial farming. It is also used in the development of some types of photographic film. Now, the second part of this formaldehyde, when undergo trimerization, it is called a paraformaldehyde. So we can say paraformaldehyde is a trimer of actually acetaldehyde. So paraformaldehyde is a cyclic trimer of acetaldehyde, which is the second aldehyde among the aldehydic series. After formaldehyde, it is two carbon containing aldehyde acetaldehyde. So due to its reactivity, it can exist in trimer form and stable form, which is called paraformaldehyde, and belong to the family of aldehyde. Its chemical formula is C6H12O3. Its IUPAC name is Paraldehyde or 2,4,6-trimethyl 1,35-trioxane. Now, paraformaldehyde is a colorless liquid with sweet odor and boiling point of 128 degree. It is sparingly, very rarely soluble in water and highly soluble in ethanol. Paraformaldehyde slowly oxidizes in air, turning brown and producing an odor of acetic acid. It quickly reacts with most plastics and rubbers. Furthermore, it regenerates acetaldehyde on distilling with concentrated sulfuric acid, when it will degenerate into monomeric acetaldehyde. Now, preparation of paraformaldehyde preparation. The acetaldehyde will undergo acid catalyzed reaction with sulfuric acid at room temperature. It gives the trimerization and paraformaldehyde as by the dehydration of the product. The use of paraformaldehyde. The paraldehyde or paraformaldehyde is used in the resins manufacturers. It is used as a preservative. It is used as a treatment for epilepsy. It is also used as infective central nervous system depression. It is also used in the preparation of aldehyde fusicum dye, and it is also used as a solvent in industry. With this, we have completed the first part of today's lecture, that structure and properties of formaldehyde and paraformaldehyde. In the next section, we will see the structure and properties of benzaldehyde and cinnamaldehyde. Thank you.